The Ozark Trail 8-person instant cabin tent will be the envy of any campsite. And with its easy 60-second setup, you won't miss a moment of the outdoors. Here's a look at the easy 60-second setup. Just unpack, unfold, and extend. The included rain fly is perfect when rain may be in the forecast or for those cooler nights. With the Ozark Trail 8-person instant cabin tent, you'll be camping in no time. When you're done with your camping trip, the tent folds down as easily as it's set up. First, remove the tent stakes, guy lines, and rain fly. Be sure to always collapse the leg poles first, and then telescope the roof poles before folding the tent. Then just collapse, fold, and pack. You'll stand out at the campsite with the Ozark Trail 8-person instant cabin tent. This spacious cabin tent sleeps up to 8 people. It also features large windows for ventilation, 2 large gear organizers, and offers plenty of space for up to 2 queen air mattresses, a removable rain fly, and electrical cord access. Best of all, the Ozark Trail 8-person instant cabin tent sets up in 60 seconds, so you can spend even more time enjoying the great outdoors.